Hello buns! We're gonna be retiring my old keyboard and upgrading my entire setup with a special Christmas gift from Akko. Thank you, Akko. We're gonna start with a Barebones base, and we have some super cute kitty Christmas keycaps. Let's get into the video. So this is the company, Akko keyboard. Akko. And this is their 5075 Barebones keyboard. It is fully customizable. It has LEDs. It has tri-mode wireless, so you can connect it however you want. And we have some really cute keycaps. Let's open. Here we go. Ooh, it's like shiny and purple. Pretty. Oh wait, let me show you the back of the box. Water and beverages can't be poured into the keyboard. No, my water and beverages. I was planning on pouring them into my keyboard. Look at that. We got the keyboard right here. Look at that. All right, let's get this off. Ooh, so nice. So nice. It's not like super heavy, but it feels like nice. It feels very solid. Ooh, and the dial actually has like, you can feel the turns. Let's see the back. Ooh, okay. It has Mac, USB, Windows. It has the little USB in here. It has these. Oh, they lock really nicely. So you can do this one, or you can do the bigger one here. This is taking up significantly less space on my desk, which is really nice. So we have the keyboard base already. Wow. We can compare it to my full-size keyboard, how much smaller this one is. In comparison, is much larger, as you can see, much larger. So it's gonna take up a lot less space on my desk, which is gonna be super nice. We have these, the creamy yellow Pro V5 switches. So we're gonna put these in here. These are linear switches, so these should be pretty quiet. We'll see how they sound. Whoa, wait, this is so fancy. What the heck? Look how fancy it is. Wow. Oh my god, look at this. That is beautiful. That looks so nice. That's such a like a fancy way of having the switches. Each box is 45 pieces. So let's see how these sound. So this is the blue one. And here are the yellow ones. That is so quiet. That is so quiet. I've never actually had quiet switches. That's crazy. And it feels like literally no friction at all. All right, now we get the really cute keycaps. Look at this. We got a nice box here again. Look at these. Look how freaking cute. Isn't that adorable? So this is the space bar. It's super round, like it feels really nice. It's a very round edge. And then here is the, like one of the smaller ones. It has like the actual like indent for the kitty cat. Super cute. I'm obsessed with this box. Let's put these switches in. Let's zoom in, put these switches in. All right, so this is the 5075B VIA keyboard. It's the Barebones one. We're gonna put in the creamy yellow Pro V5 lute from Akko. So this came with the keyboard. Ooh, okay. Whoa, okay. Ooh. Okay. All right, let's see. I'm pretty sure that this is a switch puller. It's this really nice lavender kind of color. It's really cute, and it's metal. At least it feels like metal. It feels very nice. Oh, and it has a little picture of a switch right here. You know, it feels like a very fancy version of like Operation. So I think these are the keycap pullers. It has this little circle here. It's to spin it on your finger. See, guys? Whee! You can also whisk your eggs. You can whisk your eggs really well with this, guys. Should we start from here? Get in there. Get in there. Wow, I love Operation. Let me just put it in like this. How do I do it? Oh, whoa. I'm scared I'm gonna break it. Let me just practice here in the center. I'm so scared of twisting these little pins. Is it really bad if I twist the pins? Is that lined up? Do I just put it in there? I'm scared. I'm scared. I fear for my life. Guys, what if I twisted the pins already? I gotta believe in myself. I believe. I believe. Yes. Yeah. We did it. Yay. Another cat hair. Okay. All right. Next one. Next one. Okay. Make sure the pins are on the top. Yeah, we did it. This yellow color is so cute. It's satisfying just doing this. It feels like acupuncture because they're all like pointy at the top, but it's also so smooth. Listen carefully. Compare it to this. Like, I know this is a tactile one, but I'm amazed at how quiet this is. Okay, let's put on these really cute keycaps. There's like so little friction. It's so nice. Wow! Look how pretty! That's so pretty! It has the side LEDs too. So you can see on the side. It has the LEDs on the sides as well. Oh, it's working. It's working. Wow! Yay! That was so easy. So we should be able to customize this. I can play the piano! Whoa. Wait. This is Zelda sound. Here's the keyboard. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at the back. Got the rainbows. Very, very cutie. Very nice. All right, we got monkey type open. Let's compare with the old keyboard. That is so much louder. That is so loud. Go away. Be gone. Thank you so much, Akko, for sending me everything. I'm so glad that I was able to try this and have it. And it's gonna take up so much less space on my desk. It's gonna be so nice. Like, now we can get this out of here. Let me get this out of here right now. Get out. Give me that. Give me the keyboard. Give me.